buddy. Now I gotta find that other bird. Yes, guys, there's a nest in front of my house, and they just got knocked over by the wind. I swear, bro. Wanna eat that? Cricket. Stupid cricket. No. No? Okay. Or not. But still, cricket, you die. Hey, buddy. Hi there. Now I gotta find the other ones. It's like a bird nest hut. Whatever. Okay. Where's your other friend? Huh? Okay. I'll put you back to your nest. And you are still cute. That you. Guys, he said subscribe, please. 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 He's a cute bird, though. Guys, I wonder what bird this is. Bird of species. He looks angry. Hey, buddy. I bet you want your mom, don't you? Surprisingly, the mom wasn't in the nest. So that leads me that something happened to the mother. Or the mother just got some food. I'm scared that she's gonna come back to her nest and say, where the heck is my babies? Hey, I know, I'm putting them back. I know. Guys, look at this. Hey, buddy. Look at, basically, I'm gonna see if I can see the other babies. Uh-oh, the babies aren't there. They ran. This ain't good. The mother's not gonna be happy. And she'll peck the crap out of me. I think some people, yeah. Birds will peck you if they have a girl. If it's a girl and they had their babies, they will definitely peck the living crap out of you. Hey, buddy. I'll shake you. You are a cute one, and you smell awful. I'm wondering where all the other ones are. Well, hold on. You're a good bird, though. Good birdie. Now you can see him. Cool. Okay. Other birdies. Where's the other birdies? Whoa! That's a large thing. What the heck? Ow! Flip, Poe. Something's there. Something's there. Something's there. The heck? I know you're getting uncomfortable. Hi, buddy. Aw, you look so cute. Okay. Oh, trying to fly away or something? What the heck? Okay. Where the heck is all your other buddies? I know, it's called close squeeze. Chill, chill. Take a chill pill, Weedle. Hey, buddy. Or girl. Now you're awesome. Hey there. Where is all the others? Now you can get a good close look at him or her. You're a good bird. Good birdie. Aw, and I feel bad because, well, I'm touching them. Oh, guys, I'm dead. The mother, come on, Brody. Come on, Brody. Oh, crap. Love you, bird. Bird. Birdie, birdie. Curdy, turdy, purdy, lurdy, turdy, Marty. What should I call this bird? I'm gonna call him Turdy. Gotta run. Because, I mean, the mother bird is not happy. Hey, bird. Hi. Don't get uncomfortable. You're a cute bird. You know that? Oh. Come on, fly. Or not. I'm so scared. Look at them. Or him. I don't know. But guys, I'm scared because these are baby birds. And, yeah. You are a cute bird. You know that? And guys, I'm not kidding. This bird is not a pet. I don't think they sell birds now. Look at his leg. I don't think y'all can see that, but I mean, that's his leg. He's very cool. Oh, guys, and he's shivering right now. I'm shaking right now because if Mom finds out that I have a bird, I'm dead. I'm a deadie. Hi there. I'm gonna name this bird Feather. Yeah, Feather. Feather. Feather is a girl name. Guys, I swear I just seen the mother bird. I just seen the mother bird. Oh no. The bird. Guys. Birdie, I don't think we're safe. Birdie. I love you. I'm gonna put you back to your nest. I gotta run because the mother bird is right there, and it's the same type of bird. Well, I mean, hopefully not at the same time, but it's the mother. Has to be the mother. Look at him. He's shaking. Hey, birdie. Hey, look. It's the outside world. I don't think you've... So these are babies? I'm scared if I get pecked the crap out of this girl. This is crazy. Like it landed right on her old thing. If you go back and watch my videos, you'll see that there's like a whole circle of not Winterfest, but something fest. It's fall. It's part of the fall thing. But like, I'm scared, man. I don't know if this bird will live. I'm scared, man. I'm scared for you, bird. I'm gonna name you Feather. Oh, you getting ready to fly? You want to stay in my hand still? I'm shaking. I'm shaking, little birdie. Is that you? Aw. He bro. I bet he smells like sewer drain because, well, I mean. Okay. I'm just looking at my surroundings. Hey, buddy. I'm scared that the mother bird's at the nest right now, figuring that where the flip is my birds? And she'll probably kill me. You getting ready to fly or something? Oh, the bathroom light is on. There's people over there. If y'all can zoom in. I'm gonna place the bird on the nest and probably come out to see that all the birds are back in the nest, right? I'm scared. Oh, do you want your girl? You don't want to. Mom, one of the girls failed. I will. Here. Can't stand the cuteness. Okay, and she's not going. I think she's stuck to me. Look. How about you lay like this? Here. Can you? This problem, she's stuck to me. And, I don't know what to do. Guys, I think I have a problem as well. I mean, I'm gonna try to carefully place the bird on the nest. Or not. Like, guys, the bird won't move off. Okay, you're actually so cute though. Guys, I gotta do something. Hold on. He wants to look at the birdie. He fell. One of the all the birds fell, and I had to replace this thing. You don't want to see the birds? Are they back? No. I only have one, and he's stuck to me. Where's the other birds? I don't know. Oh, can I hold it?
That one's yours. That one's yours. That one's yours.
I don't know.
They're ugly as heck.
Hey, you don't
Hell, are you ugly?
You can pet it.
Can I hold it?
No, you can't hold it.
Can I hold it? Stop holding this. Can I hold it?
Be careful. You gotta.
Where is he?
He's addicted to loud noises. I don't know. Guys, come here.
All the birds fell? So where are they?
Oh, no! No! Guys, why did you... Look, hold on. Okay, look.
Got it.
I got him. Zane, place him in my hand.
Hey, why are you stuck? Hey.
Look, I'm sorry. Look, hold on. Chill. She's gonna fly or he's gonna fly. Pet him.
I wanna hold him.
Yeah, there. Ew, she's right here.
The car. Leave the fucking birds alone.
I didn't mess with them.
Donna there. It was Donna. Quit it,
You're gonna kill it.
No, I'm not.
Damn.
Yeah.
Mama, why'd you throw the bird?
I did it.
Mom, no, it flew like off the branch.
I didn't throw it. I let it